At the point where you connect two pipes, that is the weakest part of any drain system. We now have an extra heavy-duty external coupler. It has 8 spring-loaded barbs that grab the corrugated pipe. This is dual wall pipe here, corrugated on the outside, smooth on the inside. You can see it holds it really well. This is Boffman tile on this end. This is ADS on this end. Here's some Home Depot pipe. This is some really thin pipe. The pipe is going to fail way before the connection point. This is guaranteed to never crack, never break. It'll take the freeze and thaw in the north. It'll take ground shifting and sinkholes in the south. This is guaranteed for life. The strongest external coupler on the market. You no longer need plumbing tape. Here's the extra heavy duty high octane armor pipe. We now took the weakest point of a drain system and made it the strongest point. We made these two pieces of pipe as one. All right, everybody, until that next video.